just drilled a fresh one, so now I'm going to strip it. Try to remove it. That is stripped. Yeah. According to this thing, I take a bit, I use the sharper end, I guess, go in reverse, drill a hole, flip it, and then it'll come right out when I reverse it. In 10 seconds. I'm using the smaller end of the smallest one of the four. I don't want to break my drill. Whoa, it's smoking. Okay. Stay in reverse. And I should just be able to, it's supposed to extract. Holy shnikes. Whoa. I did not see that coming because I've tried this before. When I said I'd tried this before, it was actually on this very screw on the back of a monitor. And you can't really hold the other side and really push against it. I was afraid I was going to break it, so I just left it alone. But now I might go back and try it. Oh, if I push really hard. Whoa. Okay. I did not see that coming. I tried this before with a little screw on a monitor that I stripped. That's probably a lot different. Okay then. Good session.